I kind of wanted to make this tutorial to show you all how to make it so your controller also controls the keyboard model. Right now she's just using the keyboard, but you can make her use your controller input. So what you're gonna do is make a new hotkey. You're gonna click set unset expression. You're gonna pick the expression. So for example, when I move forward on the controller, obviously I'm gonna pretend to be hitting W as I do now. And then I'm gonna record going forward on my controller. And then you're going to set the fade to 0. It'll automatically correct to 0.01. And then you're gonna hit stop when key is let go. Basically what we did now is make it so that when we move forward on our controller, it triggers the same key as it would if we were moving forward on our keyboard. So let's make a couple more and then I will show you how it works. Okay, so now I've set this up. It's going to be hitting the keys when I use my controller. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm gonna be moving this stick and she will hit the keys that we just assigned. You can do that with any of these buttons. It has a PlayStation name, so it's gonna be triangle, cross, square, circle, and then this is going to be right stick, and this is your D-pad. Now, for any of the current models, I will show you how to change it so that your right stick also pretends to be your mouse. For any of the newer models, I am going to make it so that it automatically does that for you. This is how you change it on the current models. You are going to change your mouse X position. Once I change this, it won't track my mouse anymore. So what I'm gonna do is type in controller, and we're gonna do stick right X. So now it doesn't control the X on the mouse, but it does on the controller. So I'm moving left and right, and it's pretending to move my mouse. You do the same thing with your mouse position Y. You're gonna do controller stick right Y, and now when I use this, it will pretend to be my mouse. So you can trigger it while playing controller games. The only problem is I can't create an entirely new parameter and assign your mouse to do this at the same time with the older models, because it won't let you assign the same parameter. So I'm going to duplicate them, and the newer models would have this, but for the older models, this is basically how this is basically a workaround. So yeah, thanks, bye.